All right, let's see about wrapping some of these we did earlier. See how they look. Ooh-wee, nice. We'll do a couple of these 54s here first. All right, get us a couple of wrappers out of here, see what we can get. I prepped these the other day, getting them ready. That's a good looking wrapper right there, wouldn't you say? Now, like I said when I started this, I'm a rookie. I started back in September 25 last year. You want to start from the top of the leaf. It's a small tip right here, always. You see those veins going through there, they go from left to right, from top to bottom over like this. So we're going to cut them off at a little bit of an angle, about a 45-degree angle or so right down here, and then we can work out cut our line that we need to trim it and get it prepared. Something like that. Get that piece out of the way. I'll take this end right here that's sticking out of the press. I cut it off just right, kind of like that. Get it started, and then we want to stretch that leaf out, make it good and snug. And if you're a new beginner like me, you'll have plenty of them that you'll pull a little too tight. You want it just to kind of stretch, kind of like when you're skinning a deer. Pull that skin down and stretch it. Pull this down with your thumb, pull that up here on top. Try to get it as snug as you can without tearing it. Get all the wrinkles out of it, and just nice and easy. Don't get in a hurry here. I probably tend to roll it a little too, not enough angle on it, I guess you'd say, or maybe too much angle, I don't know. But I'm getting there. Everyone's kind of like my daddy told me way back when I was a kid. He was a welder. He taught me how to weld. I said this in one of my recent videos. He said, son, every weld you make, try to make it better than the one you just made. Make each cigar a little bit better. Kind of like that. And get some glue here. A little glue on there, about like so. Spread it out. Snug it down. Roll it down like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Trim that little pigtail off, and we'll get us a flag going over here. And I wish I had a regular Chevette. It'd sure make a lot easier cutting this flag. It just doesn't want to make a good curve like a regular Chevette would make. Something like that, they tell me. And then Mr. Bliss on his channel, if you haven't watched him, be sure and watch him, Bliss Cigars. Ooh, man, he's good. He taught me how to do this. Put that flag on this, do it here, and you don't get as much glue all over your board and all over you, and it makes it easier to handle and what have you. So that's generally what I'll do, is trim that little pigtail off there. Like that, and then roll that bad boy up. Not perfect, but that rascal will smoke, by golly. That's a 3/4 inch, and this is a female. That's a 3/4 inch male. Found in there, and those edges are already ground down and sharp. And let me tell you what, that makes for a good cap. I'm gonna cut it over here in case I need that for a flag later. Right, put a little glue on our leaf. Take that right here. Oop. About like that, and stick it to it. There you go. Once again, I am not an expert and don't do everything based on what I tell you. Watch some of those pros on that YouTube channel. Just a little dab of sweetness on there. What do you think? Not too bad, huh? For an amateur rookie. And then I'll take my cutter, since I don't have a tuck cutter, I'll cut back right behind that line right there and cut it off. That. There you go. I think you're supposed to do it like that when you get through. I'm not sure what that does, but the big boys do it. So that right there, my friend, is ready to smoke, and I like it. That's a 54 by, what is that, by 6.5. Nice. There you have it. That's the way I do it. Just to show you what I do sometimes, I'll take that cigar and put it on there and roll it kind of like you would a wrapper, kind of like they do in Cuba. Just roll it up, twist it off on the end, put a little glue on it to hold it. Tuck the end over like so. Put a little glue on there. There you go. You can write on it, tell what you want. That's my 2 cents worth. Take that and about a $2 bill, and you can maybe buy you a cup of coffee. Remember, you never have to walk alone. Adios, amigos. Pops out.